Have you ever attended an antique roadhouse show and been kind of disappointed? Well, I surely was when I took this over there. This is from the Pearl Harbor Survivors Association. Okay, they done this as a fundraiser. I got this when I was stationed in Hawaii with my husband, and for my 21st birthday. That's 36 years ago. And back then, we paid, it was under $20 for it. And believe it or not, when you go to those road shows, they just go looking on eBay to see what the going price is for what they might find. I don't know how they find it there. But they said, well, this is what they want on eBay. And they actually, after 36 years, only wanted the price of what we paid 36 years ago. Of course, the alcohol is gone, of course. But still, they wanted to give me only $17 because it was not in full of alcohol and it had already been opened. So if you think that this is worth more than that, please let me know. Beautiful eagle. It's got the 4 military branches on there. So let me know what you think. Do you think it's only worth $17? If not, be sure to drop me a line on YouTube and let me know. Bye-bye.